Women, they are amazing and fun to be with, and they also give a good challenge when you want to pursue them. And being an alpha male is not necessary to actually attract women. Not everyone is born with a six-pack, a 6-foot height advantage, and a silver spoon in his mouth. Because women have different standards and preferences when it comes to men, the regular guys can also succeed in the game. Every man can take a lesson from it. All it takes to ignite a woman's interest is to make a good first impression. So, how can you make a good first impression? And do these habits in today's video make you more attractive in their eyes? Well, let's find out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Create a skincare routine. Even if it seems simple, a clean, well-groomed guy will always seem more appealing and demonstrate that you care about yourself. So put some effort into how you appear, how you smell, and groom yourself, and you'll be in terrific form. It doesn't have to entail a difficult regime or pricey goods either. Slowing your pace. Women generally want someone they can be themselves with, even if you already know that they prefer a man who can put in the effort. And one practice that effortlessly exudes a laid-back, relaxed aura that females appreciate is to move more slowly when you can. Crazy but effective. So the next time you are passing by, move quickly enough to give the impression that you have somewhere to go, yet slowly enough for them to feel comfortable talking to you. Be as approachable as you can. Your physical presentation to the world and body language may reveal a lot about how beautiful you are. You'll quickly come across as more sociable, personable, and people will want to get to know you if you stand up straight, cross your arms, smile often, and make eye contact with those around you. Make your scent complimentary. Did you know that women's sense of smell is far superior to the guys, and that they consider your body odor to be the most critical aspect of your attractiveness? Guys, you need to smell good, and a large part of that is your natural smell. A fitness routine. Taking care of your physical health offers advantages that go well beyond how your body looks, regardless of whether you have any natural gifts. Exercise and fitness in the right ways reduce stress, boost self-assurance, and enhance general physical and mental health, all of which are essential components of increasing your attractiveness to others around you. Having a project to work on constantly. You should always be laying the groundwork to improve your appeal, whether it's through home improvement projects or studying a foreign language. Women favor guys with interests and hobbies, plus staying busy makes them want you more. So begin one or more new hobbies. You'll become more educated, fascinating, and manly as a result. Mental health checks. Working on your physical fitness is important, but so is developing a strong mind. There are many different sources of confidence, and it takes effort to reach a positive position with oneself. Everyone is unique, but good mental health practices like getting enough sleep, practicing meditation, keeping a journal, and even seeing a therapist on a regular basis will help you develop and maintain a strong sense of self and confidence. Repair it rather than replacing it. There are two alternatives available when anything around the house stops working or breaks down. You can either spend more money than necessary replacing it, or you can fix it yourself for less money. And which choice do you believe a woman would prefer? It's a simple solution, right? Even better, mending items on a regular basis would not only help you save money, additionally, it's a great way to convince ladies that you are capable of problem solving and aren't afraid to get your hands dirty. Be considerate. Everyone likes compliments, and they quickly calm people down and make us feel comfortable. People definitely remember how you make them feel. Nevertheless, take care to always be yourself. Nobody likes playing untrue. Holding the door for her. Good manners are among the numerous qualities that women look for in a guy, and they rank towards the top of the list. The simplest approach to be courteous is to hold doors open for others when you have the opportunity. Who knows, after all, you may demonstrate to a girl that you are that friendly person she actually wants to have a relationship with, and this is going to make a terrific first impression. Having good manners. Although it is a small thing, your mother always emphasized the importance of etiquette. When you are kind, open doors for others, say please and thank you, and avoid chatting with your mouth full of food, people take note. You'll become likable and handsome and remembered for the correct reasons. As a result, regardless of appearance, everyone, and I mean everyone, may be more appealing. Just the appropriate routines, some self-care, and a sincere desire to improve yourself will do. Being time conscious. Everyone has a friend who will be running late to their own funeral, and you know how annoying that is if you ever had to wait for someone like that. So make it a habit to arrive on time. Women adore a man who can effectively manage his time because she feels more wanted when she isn't made to wait. And if you want her to want you, you must do that. Let people know that you value them. What I mean is this: men create an impact on people when they seem to be well known to everyone around them. These are the sort of men who can enter a bar or a coffee shop and immediately be recognized by the staff. Men who have established genuine ties and who know their names. This is great and refreshing in today's world of smartphones and social media. You want to be the man who prioritizes face-to-face interactions above his Facebook or Twitter feed. Why? Because it gives the impression that you are more significant to others than simply the members of your own close-knit group. Women will think that you are a great guy if they can see you receiving that type of attention in public settings. Who wouldn't want it as their first impression after all? Work out gradually. Progressive training, sometimes referred to as working out, entails more than simply going to the gym or building muscle. It's about becoming strong and exhibiting discipline, one of the most attractive habits of all. Therefore, whatever you decide to pursue, choose a difficult activity you want to be successful at and consistently improve at it. Cook your own food. Everyone desires good health. Unfortunately, health cannot be purchased over the counter. By eating well, you must put effort into maintaining a healthy physique. Select a diet that works for you and your lifestyle, not for someone else. Always keep track of your dietary consumption and be mindful of it. Determine which foods are helpful or harmful for your health objectives. Do not consume food that enters your vehicle through the window. You know what I mean. Prepare your own meals. Shop in outdoor aisles of the store. Always review the ingredient list. Anything with an ingredient you can't identify shouldn't be consumed. Consume sweets in moderate portions and, of course, drink a lot of water. Making a week's worth of meals. Guys, we've said it before, women adore a man with a regular schedule. Therefore, if a female notices that you can cook and eat well, she will inevitably be curious about the various skills you could possess. So discard the hot pocket and head to the supermarket, because it's time to start meal planning and step up your game. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. Whoever said sleep is for the weak clearly doesn't understand the human body. It's a machine. It needs to recharge from time to time. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night if you can. The time you go to bed should always be the same. When it comes to rest and activity times, our bodies enjoy settling into a routine. What plenty of rest does is prevent you from stressing out. You'll spend your days with a calm and optimistic attitude rather than with the enormous eye bags. And all of that anxiety also comes with being tired. Then wherever you go, that will have a positive effect on your aura and body language. And women definitely prefer relaxed guys to the stressed type.